At the heart of every thriving school is a strong partnership between parents and teachers. At Rhodes Park School, the Parent-Teacher Association plays a vital role in shaping a supportive, engaging, and enriching environment for our learners. The PTA is more than just an organization. It is a bridge between school and home. Through open communication and shared experiences, it fosters understanding and collaboration, ensuring that our students grow academically, physically, morally, and spiritually. The association provides parents with opportunities to be actively involved in school activities, contributing to their children's educational journey while strengthening the school community.
Today, Rhodes Park School have gladly given us the opportunity to visit the National Assembly, which is behind me, as you can see. It's really fun just being here after learning it in class and seeing it on TV.
I'm so excited to be here at the National Assembly of Zambia. I wanted to thank the PTA, Rhodes Park, and the parents for letting us come on this tour. It was very exciting, and thank you.
Rhodes Park School PTA is a formal body that is composed of parents, teachers, and staff. Its main purpose is to facilitate parental involvement in the school. The Rhodes Park School PTA was formally registered with the Registrar of Society in 2010.
As the PTA, we believe that when parents, teachers, and the school work together, we create a sustained, nurturing, and inspiring environment for our children. Our goal is to support the school in every way possible to ensure that our children, our pupils, reach their fullest potential.
Rhodes Park School PTA plays various roles in the school. Firstly, they provide fundraising activities that enable the PTA to raise funds that can be used in various sporting activities as well as educational tours.
We have scored so many successes as the PTA. Among them, purchase of a bus in 2019. It's a 70-seater Marco Polo bus. This bus enables our children to visit various places for their educational tours, and it goes as far as South Africa.
These tours can be excursions that are embarked on by specific grades or various club activities.
We have also been able to develop a multi-sports facility, which ensures that our children are able to practice various sports to reach the highest potential, even in their sports disciplines.
Rhodes Park School PTA also plays a very important role in enabling students who are in need to continue with their education. In an event that a child loses a primary sponsor, Rhodes Park School PTA, through its benevolent fund, comes in to provide sponsorship.
And this ensures that our children are able to reach the highest potential, being the great leaders in different sports disciplines, in different academic disciplines, and of course in different professions. So as parents, as teachers, let's continue working together so that we ensure that our children grow up to be responsible leaders.
Being able to go on these educational tours has been such a fantastic experience. We get to visit new places, see things we only get to read about in books, and learn in such a fun way.
Out of the many trips that we have here at Rhodes Park, my favorite one is the trip to South Africa. When we went to South Africa, we had visited the Maropeng Caves and Museum. The learning was diverse and very experience-based, and it was also on hand. Thank you to the PTA for such an amazing experience.
As educators, we see how these educational tours have genuinely transformed how our students learn. It is incredibly rewarding to see their excitement as they explore new places, ask insightful questions, and connect classroom knowledge to the real world. The tours are truly an embodiment of our school motto: education for the real world. Learning goes beyond textbooks. It becomes something that they can feel, see, and experience.
The Rhodes Park School PTA is not just about meetings and fundraising. It's about shaping the future. One initiative, one event, and one child at a time. Together, we build, we grow, and we succeed. Rhodes Park School, education for the real world.